So guys, let's begin with this beautiful shirt hack, and this is how I did it. You can use any shirt of your choice. So stay tuned and see how I did it. So we make a fold like that, and then we cross it at the back that way. And then we make a knot. So at the bottom we're going to fold it and tie at the back, and then we are going to leave our collar showing like that. And that's it, we are done. So now let's make this cute top. We are going to use a stretchy long-sleeved t-shirt, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to wear it and leave the sleeves out, and then this is how we do it. So we're going to grab the sides of the top, and then we're going to tie it with the rubber band like that to make it look floral, and that's it. This is how it looks like. And then this is how it looks at the back. Cute, right? Yeah, I know. So now guys, we're going to use 2 bandanas to make another amazing top, so stay tuned. This is how we're going to do it. So we're going to grab the ends of the bandana, and then we're going to tie a knot like that. So we place them around the shoulder like that, and then we're going to grab the bottom ends of the bandanas, and then we're going to insert a ring. You can use an earring, and then we're going to tie at the back, and we are done. And this is how our top looks. So now guys, we're going to use a scarf to make a belt, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to fold our scarf like that, and then we place it on our waist like that, and we tie a knot that way, and then we're going to start rolling these 2 ends of the scarf. And then we are going to do a circle that way, and our belt is done. So now let's grab our long sleeved t-shirt, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to wear one sleeve and leave one out, and then this is how we do it. And now we grab the center part of the top, and then we are going to tie it with a rubber band. And just like that, we made this beautiful, amazing top. And this is how it looks at the back. Alright, now let's grab a scarf, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to fold the scarf into a triangle shape, and then we are using a ring. I have a ring here, and this is how I'm going to use it. We're going to insert it like that, and then tie it around the neck. And now also we're going to grab the bottom ends of the scarf, and then we're going to tie them at the back. And just like that guys, our top is done, and this is how it looks. Up next is another scarf top, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to grab the bottom part of the scarf and tie it at the back like that. And then we're going to grab the upper part of the scarf, and then we're going to insert a ring. And then guys, we're going to use this left out part of the scarf to make our sleeve. Oh, look at how cute it looks, guys. Look at how amazing it looks. Alright, let's grab our long sleeve t-shirt again, and this is how we're going to do it this time. We're going to wear it and leave the sleeves out. And then we're going to use some rings again, and this is how we're going to use them. We're going to insert them on our sleeves. Okay, I have this I got these small rings from a key holder. I don't know where you can get yours, and I used this bigger ring at the center like that, and then I tied them around the neck. And then I grabbed this center part of the top, and then I tied a rubber band. And that's how we made this cute little flower on our top, and it looks so gorgeous. It looks so amazing. So this is how our top looks at the back. Don't get tired yet, guys. Let's grab another long sleeved t-shirt, and this is how we do it. We're going to wear it and leave the sleeves out, and then we're going to insert a ring on our sleeves again, and then we're going to tie our sleeves around the neck like that, and then we're going to tie the center part of our top again with the rubber band to make that cute little flower. And this is how our top looks. Okay, now guys, let's grab a blazer, and we are just going to wear it the normal way, but this is what we are going to do. And then guys, we're going to grab a belt and tie it around the waist. You can use any belt of your choice, and this is the outlook. Cute, right? It looks so good. It looks so amazing. Now back to our long sleeved t-shirt. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to wear it and leave the sleeves out, and then we're going to cross them at the chest like that, and then tie them around the neck. And then as usual guys, this is what we're going to do. And then that's it guys, we are done. So simple guys. Still with the long sleeve t-shirt guys, this is how we're going to do it. That's it. This is how our top looks. So simple guys. So we are now going to use a skirt to make something stylish, so stay tuned.
Every time you smile, the world fades away. You pull me close and I just wanna stay. Your love is like the ocean, deep and true. Baby, there's no one else, just me and you. I've been hurt, but you healed my pain. With you I'm dancing in the rain. No lies, no games, just truth in your eyes. Promise me love will never say goodbye. Nishikiri, don't let go. Through the fire,
Still on our skirt, guys, let's make something else.
yours, you'll be mine till the end of time. Nishikiri, hold me down. You're my peace in a world so loud. Forever starts right now when you're around. I used to pray for someone like you.
Back to our long sleeve t-shirt again, guys. This is how we are going to do it. We're going to wear it and leave the sleeves out, and then we're going to grab this side of the top and tie it with the rubber band. And then, guys, this is what we are going to do with the sleeves. Stay tuned.
You're like that one quiet ride where the windows are down, the music is slow, and for once life isn't rushing past, it's peaceful. You're my peace.
And this is the outcome, guys. See how amazing it looks.
Not even close, but what I feel for you.
So pretty, so amazing, so beautiful.
I'll wipe your
This
tears.
is how it looks at the back.
I'll search the whole world just to find you again. Because you've got the kind of heart that makes even broken things believe they can be whole.
This one is so simple, guys. We're just going to wear our top.
Faithful, always. Say you'll ride with me, die with me, build with me.
We're going to leave the sleeves out, and then we're going to tie the sleeves around the neck, and we are done.
Nishikiri, don't let go.
Now lastly, guys, we're going to wear our top again,
I'll be yours, you'll be mine.
and then we're going to leave out the sleeves like that, and then we're going to cross them at the back
Hold me down.
like that,
Peace in a world so loud.
and then we're going to tie them around the neck.
Right now when you're around.
And that's it, guys. We are done, and this is how our top looks, how it looks at the back. And then lastly, guys, we are going to wear our top again and then leave out the sleeves, and then we are going to cross the sleeves like that and tie them around the neck. And that's it, we are done, and this is how our top looks. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to like, subscribe and comment.